19384 the 10 for North Kenton. Going out as a 311. Seven 606. The Vultra. 902 for Reading Centre. A late shot of an M6 for Jasmine Vale. And a 309 for Blythe. Just in front of that was a little minibus on the M6 for Jasmine Vale, which is potentially getting withdrawn subject to a Nexus consultation. Jesus Christ. Why would you run that, man? That's just silly. That's just stupid, man. There's a Tyndale on the 74 for Matt Fenn. Forget that route exists, to be honest. It's that infrequent. '21 terminating in 6314 6343. I've got 10B 6083. Q3 for Walls End 5808. It's 20 for Ashington then Alnwick 7545. Six 106 with 311 for Hadrian Park. Here comes the terminating X1. .309 for Blythe. .6226 and the next 63. Well, there's a Vultra and an X10. Lots of buses on the move. I'm trying to preserve my storage for this Peter Hall because I've got very low storage. 6043.